Hey guys, so first I am starting out with this really pretty light brown shade from the Carly Bible palette. And then I am going to go in with this purple color. They are both mattes and they're really easy to blend out. So I just love reaching for this palette. After applying the NYX liner to my eyelids, I am just applying the BH Cosmetics Eyelights in the shade Gal Pal all over my lid. I'm taking that pink holographic shade from the Carly Bible Deluxe Edition palette and I'm just adding that to my inner corners, and it looks really intense right there because I did wet my brush to make the pigment look even more bright. Next, I'm just taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pro Pencil. It's just a nude pencil and I love putting it in my waterline because it literally just makes your eyes look so gorgeous and awake. For lashes, I used the BH Cosmetics lashes in the style M201. I was honestly really pleasantly surprised how much I did enjoy these lashes, just because I thought they were going to be too perfect looking, but I just love them. They honestly looked really natural. For lip liner, I am using the Tartist pencil. I don't know what shade this is in. And then for lipstick, I am using the Tartist lip paint in the shade Birthday Suit. I am also using the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Sand. I love all these products so much, you guys. For lashes, I'm just using the Tarte Opening Act Lash Primer and the Milk Cosmetics mascara. I love this mascara, you guys. I've literally been using these two combos maybe for 2 weeks now, and honestly it's just amazing. They work really well together. That's it for the final look. I love Britney Spears so much and I just wanted to recreate her as I've seen her since the 90s, and this was my take on her. So happy Halloween. I love you guys so much, and bye!